Welcome to Clipchamp. What is this tool? It's a video editor for basic edit. It offers all you need for great videos, no tech skills required. Clipchamp is a simple tool, yet it lets us make those small necessary edits. It's a web and desktop editor, not much more. How can we create a Clipchamp account to start using this program? Well, we simply go to the try for free section and click continue with Google or any software we prefer. Once we've done that, as you can see, we're in. This is the interface. Quite easy for creating videos with AI, very intuitive. Here we'll have our projects and other stuff, so we're all set up now. How can we create an AI-powered video in Clipchamp? Well, once we're in the platform, we go to create video with AI, and here we'll enter the title of our video. We click get started. We can add media. Let's add some. We hit get started, and it shows us some style options like this one here, which I can like. Elegant is fine. This one not so much, but okay, it's fine. Well, this one convinces me. I'll click choose for me. We choose the format, either landscape or portrait, and how long our video should be. Long duration, full length, over a minute, under 30 seconds I'll select full length, or under 30 seconds is fine too. We click next and it adds the music for us. If I now press play, it will have made this video for me. I'm not sure why the screen is split like this. It seems to be part of the editing. If we don't like it, we can create a new version. There's the template. I think it's shown this way to export. So you click export and then we'd have it. So that's how we make AI videos. It's that simple. How can we use Clipchamp's text-to-speech? It's an AI tool that provides this functionality. To start, we'd go to Clipchamp, select text-to-speech and try it out. It's a tool that's already built into Clipchamp itself. In the record and create section, we simply select text-to-speech. Here we'd enter what we want the AI to say. Flow, how about day, for example. You can input a lot here. I don't recall the exact limit, but it shows a maximum of 7,650 characters. And all this is free, by the way. I'll continue a bit more. So there it is. All this hello, how about day. Here you can choose the language. English is fine here, and the voice type. We can listen to the voice, just click hear this voice. There's an advanced option to set the speech speed, and if we want to adjust the pitch now, we just hit save and it'll start generating the sound. I'll set the time here and show you once it's generated, and it's done. Just 20 seconds have passed. In 20 seconds it generated 7,500 characters. So if I hit play, hello, have a good day, hello. In the end, I only added one thing, and that's how we can use text to speech. With just that, we could now export. That's it. There's nothing more to it, so I hope you found this tool useful. Alright, welcome to how Clipchamp works locally. That is how the video editor functions. Let's go to Clipchamp, open the app, click create new video, and I'll show you how this editor works. We can import media, as you can see, just like in any other editor. It's known for being basic. We can drag videos and they automatically join together. This is the timeline. We can add audio, music, Clipchamp suggests some, and text. As you can see, everything is super straightforward and easy. It's true that it doesn't have all the tools we might want, but it has special features like screen and camera recording, camera only, screen only, audio only, or even AI generated pitch text. They have a content library with music and sound effects too, which I didn't expect. Sound effects, let's see. Oh well, that's it. Then there's the template section, like this one here, which we can add, and as you see, it's placed here. If we had our own face recording, we'd just replace the girl's video and have this template, for example, this intro. We also have the option to add text. Not sure if texts are animated. Let's see. Pitch text, where simply, no, they're not animated, but if you select them and open this text drop down, you can modify it in the editor. In advanced, you can change everything you want, letter spacing and all. Plus, we have fade in for transitions, fade out to enter. So nothing too fancy. What's pitch text? Where basically, there it is. We can also add effects. These would be the more advanced effects. As I was saying, effects you can apply to the whole video or text. We can adjust colors for more saturation. Same with videos, we can modify saturation, add filters, pretty much anything we want. Then we have transitions, which add an effect between videos. Here we've added a crossfade. I just dragged it in, and when I hit play, you'll see a transition between the videos. In Clipchamp, that's basically how the editor works. It seems that, oh, this is new. Clipchamp can generate subtitles using AI. Try now, okay? It's in Spanish, let's find Spanish. Transcribe, yes indeed. This wasn't here before, I swear. Yeah man, it did it for me. It transcribed it, but I can toggle subtitle mode. Oh, subtitles are on, but I can't edit them. Let's see if it lets me. It doesn't look like yesterday's, does it? Turn off not bad, eh? There, if you select it, it bugs sometimes. You can edit it. Wow, this is new, dude. Man, I'm blown away. I've used this tool a ton, you know. And you can change the color and everything. Oh my god, can't add shadows, can you? Or maybe, wait, you can. Hold on, you can. Shadow, here it is, shadow. Watch this. And, oh well, but, wait. Set it to medium, no blur. Look at this. Well, I'm just messing around here. Yeah, this is Clipchamp. Alright, how can we add subtitles in Clipchamp? Well, let's go to the Your Media section and add any video. If the video has audio, we can see it with this audio button. Then we'll go to the captions section and click turn off next. We'll click generate auto captions with AI. Click try now. Specify the language as Spanish in this case. Hit confirm and it'll create the transcription. It's quick because it's pre-done, but it sometimes fails. For example, Clipchamp might be spelled wrong. So how can we make cool subtitles? The default might look a bit messy, so I recommend choosing I'll spend some time doing it, okay? Let's pick a cool font, a bit bold and easy to read. Alright, let's choose a reddish color. It'd be nice if there was an option to make all words appear in cap. I assume that also depends on the font, right? Look at this font here. It's good. Called Stat Leeches, okay? You need to find a font style like this. Style, it's in caps. That's the point. Not many options, eh? Well, this one might work, but there aren't many more. This is the only one I found. Let's make it bigger and not that big. Let's set it to 28. Check it doesn't get messy in the video. What I've done is you go forward and here you can add shadows, okay? Here's the trick. Pick a shadow, go to settings, set medium distance and remove the blur to keep it sharp. As you can see, we can point it downwards or set a custom distance. This color isn't the best. It's a bit more orange, right? And not quite. There we go, okay? And that's how our subtitles look. Pretty cool, don't you think? I'll try to make it more yellow, let's see. There it is, the subtitle style looks pretty cool, right? It's cinematic, but if you don't like it, try others, okay? No worries. Look, a more matte color might look better, not too much, though a bit darker, not so bright, okay? For example, see? So everyone can choose their style. That's how we add cool subtitles, right? Alright, let's see how we can export or import files in Clipchamp. To import a file like a video that we want to add to the editor, we'll click on this drop down menu, go to your media and select import media. Here we choose what we want. It imports, as you see, we drag it and there it is. That's how we import it. And if for any reason after finishing our edit we want to export, we go to export and can export up to 1080p with the free version. How can we record voice or video in Clipchamp? Well, we simply go to the record and create section. In this section, as you can see, we can record audio. We just need to allow access to our microphone. Here we can select the microphone we want to use. We can choose whether to use a quatch or not, okay? It basically analyzes our recording. We just click this red button and we have up to 30 minutes to record. When we're done, we click stop, we click save, and it can even save to our computer. And there we have the audio, okay, for example. Then we go to record and can capture the screen. We click record and it asks which screen to capture. I'll select the entire screen, then click share. Now it's recording my entire screen. As you can see, if I switch to another app, it'll record that too. So we click share and it starts recording. It records audio too, by the way. And there's the recording. We'd click save and edit. Okay? By the way, if you don't save, it stays in Clipchamp. I'm saying this in case there were any doubt. Yes, just to clarify if there were questions, there it is. So we can record anything, camera, everything. It's really that simple. Let's say we have multiple videos, either from using a green screen or adding effects, and we want to mute them. We want to mute these videos. Well, there are some pretty easy ways to do this. The first is right here. This button simply mutes the audio completely when pressed. As we can see, we just click, select it, and remove the audio entirely. Another way is to select the video we want to mute, like this one, and go to the audio tab. Here we can adjust or modify the audio or even detach it, separating audio from video. This allows us to edit the video and add sound suppression to the audio, for example. By the way, I can't remove it now because it's still being applied. We can add fades, change the speed and more. It's that simple. How can we do what's called a detach audio? That is, separating audio from video. Basically select the video, go to audio, then in this section select audio and click detach audio. There it's separating the audio and video, as you can see. Now if I play this video, it won't make sound. It won't have audio because the sound is here. Well, it won't play because I have and there it's recording, as you can see, the part. Oh, it actually has a sound. Well, here it is. Close it. It still has sound. We just drag the audio. We've got it. We can apply noise reduction, which removes background noise and such. And there it's recording, as you can see. How can we apply sound suppression to audio in Clipchamp? Basically, we take the audio either from a file or video and go to the audio section here in detach. If we have a video, we separate the audio. Click detach audio to mute the video. Once we have the audio, we simply activate noise suppression. It'll take a moment. It takes a while to apply, but once done, it'll turn purple, meaning we can toggle it on off. After being patient for a bit, there it is in purple, okay? Noise suppression removes background sound and echoes, so that's how we can do it. How can we change the aspect ratio in Clipchamp? Well, in Clipchamp, if we want to change this video from horizontal to vertical, we simply go to size. Okay, I'll skip this. We go to sizes and set it to the orientation we want. If we want vertical, we set it to vertical. Got it? To fill the video, for example, if it's horizontal and we want it filled, we click fill. Okay? Sorry, fill. Okay? It's that easy. We have these 3 points to flip it, okay? Put it in the top left and so on, okay? We can even crop it if we want to. How can we crop a video in Clipchamp? There are different ways to crop. Obviously, one way is to crop from the timeline, which is pretty straightforward. But we also have the option to crop the video itself. Many people zoom, but that's not necessary. Instead, we can simply select the video, and at the top we'll see the crop option. As you can see, if we want to select this part here, for example this one here, we click apply and we've got the cropped video with only the part we want. For instance, we click fill, see, with this button here, instead of doing it manually, we just hit fill and that's it. That's simple. How can we automatically add our camera recording to one of the video corners in Clipchamp? Let's say we have a video, for example, a long one, this one here, okay, 3 minutes. We've been talking, right? So we just take this video. Obviously we'd need to put it on top because otherwise it won't be visible. Okay, what we'll do is click these 3 dots and select picture in picture. We'll choose where we want it, for example bottom right, okay? And now as you can see, it's placing this image in the bottom right corner. Now I'll just make it a bit bigger or as large as I want, and that's where I'll be down there commenting on the video, okay? Alright, how can we... There it is, see? That's me. Literally, that's me. So in A, it's that simple. We can cut a video or mute silent parts with Clipchamp. Let's select a video, for example this one here, click on AI suggestions, and we'll see the auto cut section. I haven't found this option anywhere else in the editor. It's only available through this specific menu. It shows us the areas where there's likely silence. Click remove all and it automatically makes the cut. It's that easy. As you can see, that's how it's done. How can you add music to your Clipchamp video? Well, you have different options. Obviously, the first is to go to media and import it. Import your own music and add it. The second is to go to the content library, select all, then choose audio. Here you decide what you want for Clipchamp exclusive music. Go to music, for example, Clipchamp exclusive tracks. You'll see lots of music, both premium and free. This one, for instance, is a premium track. It's great music, just drag it over volume if needed, if you don't want it at full volume. Add a fade or change speed, though I wouldn't. That's how we add music and sound effect. Now, go to audio and click this drop down. Select sound effects that they offer. You can add visuals too if you want. If not, it's really that simple. How can then we add text to our video? First, let me tell you about the automatic subtitling feature. It's the CC for captions, where you can add captions automatically. I'll show that in another video. But for adding custom text, if we want text, not subtitles, we'll use a different method. We'll go to the text section. Here you can see all kinds of text options, some with default effect, others with less. I like this one. Drag it and you've got text to edit. Select it, go to text, and here we can change the font if we don't like it. And the text I can type hello, hello, welcome as the intro. We can change text color to match the rest. Adjust position, move it manually if needed. So that's how you can add text. How can we add transitions in Clipchamp? Let's go to the transition section. We need 2 videos, okay? Transitions are applied between 2 videos. So we have one video here. Let's add another. As you can see, these 2 videos meet. We can click here on add transition. It'll add a transition with light effects and subtitles. It looks cool, right? It added a fade out, which is nice, but we can also go to transitions and choose more customized transitions, you know? Like this new horizon effect. See, they look pretty cool, don't they? There it is, or these pixel effect. Really, we can choose whatever we want. There are all kinds of transitions. Some are premium, others are free, and that's it. It's that simple. You can blur a video in Clipchart or blur part of a video. Let's remove everything. Let's say I want to add this girl and I want to blur her face. Basically, I'd take the video, duplicate it, put the copy on top, and choose what we want to censor. We go to crop, and I'll say I want to censor her eyes, for example. So we select it with the crop tool. It's important to use this tool. Now that it's selected, we click. Okay, I know nothing seems different yet. Then we go to filters. Effect. In effects, we go to blur. As you see, blur, we have glass too, but blur is best here. With blur, we can adjust more or less. Less blur means more blurred. There we have the effect applied. We can use blur, and we can use glass. Removes the blur effect, but this way we have this part censored. Okay, if needed to censor more, hit crop and make it a bit larger. Now we have a larger censored area, hit crop and keep adjusting. Now we have a bigger blurred zone, so that's it. It's that simple. How can we remove the green screen in Clipchamp? I'll go to contents and search for green screen. Let's see if there's a green screen video. Indeed, we'll use this one. I won't drag it since it's premium. Let's use this dinosaur video. Though dinosaurs are green, it's not ideal. We'll use this guy dancing. Okay, so we have this man dancing and we want to remove the green part. For whatever reason, we don't like it. There it is. Okay, so what we do is go to the effects section. And within the effects section, as I mentioned in the effects section, we have the green screen option. We simply select it. There's the color. We can change it to red or blue. We can't customize it, but oh well, it's that simple. Let's take a video and make it black and white in Clipchamp. Just drag the video, go to filters, and look for black and white. There you have it, okay? Now we've got it in black and white, just like that. How can we speed up or slow down a video in Clipchamp? We simply select it and go to speed. Here we can modify the speed, make it play at 13x for example, and there we have it. Or if we want it to play slower at 0.1x, so that's how we'd have it. Okay, it's really that simple. Again, select file, speed, and you're done. Look at how we can have Clipchamp locally right on our computer. I have my own Clipchamp here on my computer. I'm not sure if it updates automatically, to be honest, but I assume it doesn't. We have two options. We can go to Microsoft Store and get Clipchamp there. Or within the Clipchamp app itself, we can click on Desktop app, get the desktop app, and that's it, okay? It's that simple. Alright, let's talk about Clipchamp's payment plans. We'll review them and share our thoughts. So let's head to the upgrade section. It says upgrade to Clipchamp Premium here. Everything in free plan, meaning all in the basic plan, starts at €8 monthly, then goes to €12. So I'll consider it as if it were €12, and it adds 4K export capability. Honestly, it's not bad at all, just €12 monthly. You know how competitors are lately. With their pricing, we get a brand kit and content backup. That's definitely excellent. I'd like to know if there's any limit we can use premium tools with royalty-free content, meaning we can use it for our videos and premium filters. Well, I think the tool. I don't think premium is worth it, but if you use it a lot, then maybe. But it's funny because the really important parts like automatic subtitles or text-to-speech and such are precisely the crucial features, and they're free, obviously to attract more users. That way they get you to start using their tool, and once you start using it you might end up getting premium. Because you want 4K export, for example. Personally, I'd add more features, okay? I think this paid plan is well designed because the free tool is usable and there's no real limitation. But I'd do something like CapCut. I mean, in the premium plan here in Clipchamp, there are videos and such. I'm saying this in case someone from Clipchamp is watching. I'd add animated subtitles paid, like in CapCut, or maybe additional materials don't limit the free user. Let free users keep all customization. I wouldn't restrict any tool, like the automatic silence cutter. I wouldn't make that feature premium only, because why? Free users would stop using it. Let's be honest here, Clipchamp is used for simplicity, nothing more, nothing less. It's not the best video editor, it's great for beginners. For newcomers, I mean basic, with just what you need to edit your videos, far from the best. Of course, I think they're doing well. It's a very good tool. Premium is worth it if you use Clipchamp often for backups and so. Not much to add, it's great. Keep watching the video.